Hello, this is Chad from Volaton Technologies, and today we're going to go over spring cleaning and proactive maintenance to get your drone ready for the upcoming spray season. To do your general cleaning, just go ahead and use a regular dishwashing liquid and a soft towel. Make sure you clean all the surfaces, especially the propellers. And as you're doing that, kind of look for damage as you go. Next thing you're going to want to do is check your props. Make sure there's no cracking, warping, or chips. If they're damaged, you need to get those replaced right away. It is the most important part of your aircraft. Here's a good example of a chipped prop. Like, you don't want to put that back in the air. This one definitely needs replaced. Some other examples of broken props include deep cracks and chipping on the ends. And you're going to want to check all your prop screws and make sure they're set to the proper torque for your drone. Next, you're going to get out all your batteries, get them charged up to 100%, and then get your drone fired up and check for the most recent firmware and update if needed. To check for new firmware, go into device management. If it's orange, that means there's a new version available. Click on that. To update it, just hit the orange button and it will select the version that needs updated and hit the button. You're going to want to add some fresh water to your tank to purge out that old antifreeze. Next thing you're going to need to do is clear out all the antifreeze you've had in your lines. You want to go up to settings, go into your sprayer section, scroll down to clean hose and hit clean and start. Also check all 4 of your arm latches and make sure the torsion is correct. Release that. Just make sure they're not too tight or too loose. If you need to adjust them, there's an adjustment screw right here you can turn. Next, you're going to want to calibrate your spray system. Go up into settings, your sprayer section, scroll down to system calibration and pump calibration and hit the calibrate button and start. And the drone will cycle through a series of flow. This usually takes a few minutes. Once calibration is complete, your drone is ready to get out there and get work done for the season. Getting your drone inspected and calibrated can save you downtime and save you from costly repairs down the road. If this is a service we can help you with, reach out to us today.